Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I know you just started with the sketch, but since I was working over the picture, I figured it would be easier just to work with the digital art and went ahead and did a full completed design for you. So I apologize for the wait, but you're getting a full design instead of just a sketch. With that being said, let me talk about the placement of this and where I have things lined up. So this little line on the eye, I have in line with this little line coming off of this design over here. And then it should fit within the space between these two designs, kind of across your bicep. So when you line it up with this in the middle, and then this occupying the majority of the space still available on your arm. As far as overlaps and things that can get cut off, these lines going around the word you can all be cropped when they touch the other design, and then same thing here, you can just cut these lines off before they touch the other design, and then this thick line here, and then these lines will obviously get a little trimmed here. Actually, I'm gonna trim this line a scotch at right now. Well, because I want this one to connect up to the design over here as well. So we'll just trim it up like that for now. But yeah, so it should really nicely fill the space between these designs and tie everything together nicely. I put the emphasis on the word you because the whole quote is about making you, the people that like the doctor's talking to, look like giants. So I think you look like giants is how it's situated. We have a little start marker here, so all these designs are going to be starting in different places, so each design is going to have a little start marker on it to help figure out where to start reading and your orientation and stuff. So let's go ahead and read it. So this outer circle is a sentence circle. Our word here is just this little circle here. Little guys are vowels, and an I has a line going towards the center of the word circle. So this is the word I. This little line is extra here. It's not part of the translation. These lines, I mean, it's from the N here, but you don't really need the line other than right there where it's on the N. So that's the word I. And then this think here, here's the word circle. And we have the TH crossing the line of the word circle. The I, again, line going inwards. And then the N is the thin circle with one line on it, and the K has two dots. So you read thin to thick on stacked letters. The word you is in the negative here, a circle crossing the line of the word circle with two dots, O inside the word circle, and a U with a line going outwards. This word look, starting at the bottom and going counterclockwise, we have a full circle inside our word circle, and on it there are 1, 2, 3 dots. That's the L. These little guys are both O's. There's nothing to distinguish their order, but they're both after the L, so that's two O's. So L, O, O. And then this K has two dots on it here as well. So some nice symmetry here, even between these two designs. And this like, starting again at the bottom, we have 1, 2, 3 dots on the L. The I has a line going inwards. The K has two dots, and then the E, so like. And then this word giants, again, would be the first one, like, lined up when you're putting a little stencil on with the line here. Just make sure that this line here ends on this sentence circle and doesn't continue up through onto the I itself. But yeah, things and stuff. We have read the word like. It's time to read the word giants. We have a deep divot, so top row with one line on it. Here, this curvy line. So there's the G, these lines pass through it. I, line going inwards. A, inside the word circle. N has one line on it here, the same line as on the I. And then the T, shallow divot, no modifiers. And then this S with three dots. 3 lines, not dots. I know what dots are and I know what lines are. So yeah, that is that design. I'm going to go ahead and export it and send it to you. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.